Do you want to make Cricut edits like this in Capcut? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create this edit on mobile using Capcut. First, keep all your clips at 0.5 seconds, except the intro. Now go to Video Effects and search for oblique blur. Apply it and set its length to half of the clip. Add 2 keyframes, one at the start and one at the end. At the first keyframe, set blur to 100 and rotate to 20. At the last keyframe, set both values to 0. Now duplicate the effect, set object, all videos. Now duplicate the effect one more time and put it under next and repeat the process. Now go in Effects again, then go in Party and select Shake Effect. Then adjust its length like oblique blur. Now add 1 keyframe and start 1 and end, and set speed and intensity 25 in first keyframe and 0 in last keyframe. And set object all videos. Then duplicate it 2 times and put 1 on next clip and repeat the process. Again, go in Effects and search Shake. Adjust it to all clips. And I forgot to do, you have to set object all videos. Then set its speed 6 and intensity 7. Now go in Effects again and select Black Flash 2. I also forget to set object all videos, here you have I do it. Then set its speed 60, intensity 10 and size 20. Now go in Animations and search Turbulence. And set its duration 0.3 seconds. Do similar to other clips too. Now go in Effects again and search Glow 2. You have to set object all clips here. I forgot to do it. Then set Glow 25 and size 25. Now to export it, set resolution 2K, frame rate 60, and keep bitrate under so file size doesn't exceed 50 MB. And that's how you can create this Cricut edit in Capcut. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more editing tutorials. See you in the next video.